Welcome to Top Product Picks. The Best Kiss and Cry bag is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any figure skater, designed to keep your precious skates and blades protected from damage and the elements while also providing a convenient way to carry them to and from the rink, ensuring your gear stays in pristine condition and ready for your next performance or practice session, making it a vital investment for any serious athlete. Number 5. BAGSMART Women's Weekender Overnight Travel Duffel Bag. Introducing the perfect travel companion for your weekend getaways and overnight stays. This bag is designed to be both stylish and incredibly spacious, ensuring you can pack all your essentials with ease. Experience ultimate comfort with its ultra-lightweight construction. Weighing only 1.8 pounds, its soft nylon fabric makes carrying it a breeze, no matter how far you go. For the yoga lovers, this bag features a convenient buckle to easily secure your yoga mat. It's the most effortless way to bring your practice wherever you go. Don't let its compact size fool you. This bag boasts a large capacity with a spacious main compartment and easy-access side pockets for your water bottle and umbrella. This versatile bag is your go-to for any adventure. It's ideal for travel, gym sessions, daily commutes, outdoor activities, and even university or office use. Designed to meet most carry-on requirements, this bag ensures a hassle-free travel experience. The integrated trolley sleeve makes navigating airports and train stations a cinch. What we like? This bag is incredibly light, making it easy to carry. It also features a convenient buckle for your yoga mat. If you're a yoga enthusiast or need a lightweight travel companion, this is a great choice. Its trolley sleeve makes it perfect for travelers who want to easily attach it to their rolling luggage. What people say. What really impressed me was how roomy it is. I was genuinely surprised by how much it could hold. My daughter was able to pack pajamas, a change of clothes, her toiletries, a stuffed animal, blanket, and even a pair of shoes with room to spare. The wide opening makes packing and unpacking easy, and the sturdy zipper works smoothly. This bag easily fit 1 week's worth of clothes and a pair of shoes. I love all the extra pockets to help me keep my toiletries organized. There's a padded slot for my laptop. This bag is well made and durable. It has sturdy zippers and reinforced stitching. The size is adjustable with a snap-down feature on the sides. A water bottle holder is a must-have, and the elastic band to keep it from falling out of the pocket is a thoughtful addition. There are several inside pockets, including a laptop pocket. The main compartment is huge. The trolley sleeve is great, as well as the long, strong, adjustable shoulder strap. Number 4. Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag, Black, 22. Introducing the Rockland Rolling Duffel Bag. This bag is designed for convenience and durability, perfect for your travels. With its generous 22-inch size, it offers ample space for all your essentials. It's versatile enough for weekend getaways or longer trips. Crafted in a sleek black finish, this duffel bag is built to last. Its robust construction ensures it can handle the rigors of travel. Featuring smooth rolling wheels and a sturdy handle, transporting your belongings has never been easier. Glide through airports and train stations with ease. Whether you're heading out for a short break or a long adventure, this rolling duffel bag is your ideal travel companion. Pack smart, travel light. What we like? This rolling duffel offers ample space for all your gear. Its wheels make it easy to transport, even when fully packed. If you need a durable and spacious bag for longer trips or extensive equipment, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who prioritize ease of movement and capacity. What people say. The bag was carried on and fit in the overhead bin of the plane perfectly. I can pack enough clothes, toiletries, a swimsuit, and flip-flops for a 7-day trip in the bag. The zipper is robust and durable. Number 3. Camiso Ice Skate Bag Tote. Introducing the Camiso Ice Skate Bag Tote, the perfect companion for your ice skating adventures. Keep all your essentials organized and within reach. This skate bag organizer features multiple pockets designed for convenience. Easily store your water bottle, gloves, and other accessories. The thoughtfully designed pockets ensure everything has its place. No more digging around for what you need. It's ideal for carrying your water bottle, extra gloves, and any other accessories you might need on or off the ice. Crafted for durability and ease of use, this tote makes transporting your skating gear a breeze. Enjoy your time on the ice. What we like. This tote is designed with skaters in mind, featuring multiple pockets for all your essentials. It's perfect for keeping your water bottle, gloves, and other accessories organized and easily accessible. If you're a skater who likes to keep everything tidy and within reach, this bag is an excellent option for practice sessions. What people say. It came in a nice little dust bag over the tote itself, which were in plastic. So nice package. Definitely wasn't expecting to get a dust bag with the tote. After inspecting the tote, I was quite pleased with not only the color in comparison to the photo but the quality as well. This one seems very well made and holds all the extra I will be taking for my daughter upcoming competitions. My little 9-year-old skater has been carrying this bag back and forth to the rink for about 6 months now and it has held up great. Still looks like new and has been a great addition to her skating equipment. Number 2. Edea Accessory Skate Bag, with me. From Italy, where style is a way of life, comes a bag designed for every occasion. We wanted something cool that would keep your essentials safe. With 9 pockets, it's perfect for makeup, your phone, a towel, drinks, keys, a tablet, music, and skate guards. Everything stays neatly organized and stylishly zipped away. This bag features patent leather trim and comfortable faux fur handles. A glittery finish adds that perfect touch of glamour. It's available in 2 sophisticated color options, black and gold. This is more than just a bag, it's your stylish and functional companion for all your skating needs. What we like. This bag combines style with functionality, boasting numerous pockets for all your necessities. The comfortable handles make it a pleasure to carry. If you appreciate a touch of glamour and need a well-organized bag for your skates and personal items, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for those who want to look good while staying organized. What people say. Super cute figure skating bag. The bag has glitter all the way around it and it's very bright. My daughter loves this bag. It's large enough to hold all her essentials. Number 1. Figure Skating Practice Tote. Introducing the ultimate tote designed for figure skaters. Keep all your essentials organized and within reach, both on and off the ice. This spacious bag is perfect for carrying everything you need for practice. From water bottles to tissues, it has you covered. Never forget your practice essentials again. This tote ensures you have your notepad, water, and other necessities readily available. Crafted with durability in mind, this rink tote is built to withstand the demands of regular practice. Its thoughtful design makes it incredibly functional. Keep your skating accessories tidy and accessible. This tote helps you stay organized, so you can focus on your performance. Make your practice sessions smoother with this essential accessory. It's the perfect solution for any figure skater looking for convenience and organization. What we like. This tote is specifically designed for your ice skating practice needs. It's perfect for holding essentials like tissues, a water bottle, and a notepad. If you're looking for a simple, practical bag to keep your immediate practice items organized at the rink, this is the ideal solution for you. What people say. The bag is very spacious and can hold a lot of items. It has multiple compartments that help with organization. The material is durable and seems like it will last a long time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.